Hello, Hawks. I heard that some of you are having difficulty accessing your microphone for programs such as Google Meet. Let's see if I can help you with that. So up in the upper right-hand corner, you're going to click those three vertical buttons and you're going to come down to Settings. You will scroll down to where it says Privacy and Security and then click Site Settings. You will see that you can give permissions to the camera and the microphone. You want to make sure that your microphone is definitely enabled and that it's asking you before accessing it. So whenever you are accessing a website that may want to use your microphone, we recommend that you allow it to ask you before it just enables it. You want to make sure that it is defaulting to your internal microphone. So it should say something similar to this, built in. You want to make sure that that is selected. If that's not an option or you're having difficulties with that, please reach out to library staff. So whether that be Miss Nikki or myself, Miss Alyssa, please email us. There might be something wrong with your Chromebook and we might need to get that from you and have the technology department look at it. If you have any other questions, please make sure that you email us. Have a great day, Hawks.